Okay, hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, and for this video we will be opening Richie's, Chacha Beats, and an online parcel. Without further ado, unahin natin ng Richie's. So opening to ng online parcel natin. So yung mga online
na toy thrift natin.
So unahin muna natin to. Siningitan lang natin ng Richie's at saka ng Chacha Beats. So ito muna. Open muna natin to. Oh. Tingnan natin kung ano makukuha natin dito. Yan. There. Up.
Yeah, boy.
Ooh, it's a nana. Got one. Okay, set aside muna natin. Ito, iba-iba laging ito yung nakukuha natin dito. Mura lang ito eh. Let's open na. Alam niyo ba kung ano naman ito? So, my baby is excited. Oh, this is a toy. This one. It's a tractor. Unassembled tractor. You want this one? Ayan, ang laman ito. Ito. Yan. Chacha Beats. Dalawa. This one. Give to mommies.
A few moments later.
And let's open this parcel. So, ito nga palang parcel ay galing kay eto, dito sa seller na to. Tapos, link na sa description. And, parang na time to time nagpo-post siya sa wall niya. Tapos, paunahan lang makamain. So, kalimitan mga Japan surplus toys yun eh. Tapos, yun. Naka-holds tayo yung mga mura. Yan.
Yeah, boy.
Parang matutuwa din dito yung babies ko. Babies pala, baby lang. So, eto siya. Maganda pagkaka-package. So, yan. Sa online seller. Yan. Eto. Oops. Isa-isahin natin ang ating mga nakuha. Oh. Oy, lumaki. Ano, may eman naman, diba? So, first one. Oh, what's this? It's a train. With trucks. Wait. What's this? Oh no, look! This one we can do this. Like this. Oh. Yan o, pwedeng pag dikit-dikitin. This one. Okay. Yan. Okay, pakita natin mamaya yung ano pag nabuo natin ito. Set aside. Look. What's this? It's a train. Look, there's a truck. Another one. So this one is wow! It's a Hashira na Ken. Pwedeng lagyan na kung ano-ano. Parang lalagyan ng Yoshi candy. No, dapat mo naman agad, baby. Sorry. Another one. What's this? Is this a free? I think this one is free. Oh, pwede itong lalagyan ng ano, nakakain sa fish. Yes. And another one. Ito pa. Oh, so many toys again. Let's open. Look, it's a truck. 2 trucks. Oh, parang ito yung nababaliktad. Transfusion ba yun? Look. Then you put like this one. Up, like this. Then it will become a bus. See? Another one. This one also. Baliktad. Up. Transfusion. And it become a bus. There. Oh, pangit. Baliktad rin na ulit natin. This one is much better. There. And what else? What's this? Oh, what's this? Ba't kami ganito? This one is free. Oh, another lalagyan. What's this one? Oh, there's a car. I see cars. What's this? Oh, so heavy. This one is an Tomica. Look, it's a Corolla, no? It's just a Toyota car. Look, it's a hatchback. Hatchback car. Look, it's opening. Look. Oop, oop. Damn! And what's this? Oh. It's a po. What's this? Ano nga tawag dito sa ganito? Basta, yun na yun. Late pala niya. And it's Yoshi. Yoshi. Yay! Sasakyan ni Mario. On display. Nice. Tatak. Nintendo. Nice. Ganda. This one. Nintendo. And lastly, this one. Oh, it's Chopper. It's sealed. Ang lambot. Chopper. Keychain Chopper. Nice. And for the last one, ito. Oh, pang table tennis. May net pang kasama. Oh, nice. So, yun lang. That's all. Unboxing. Patingin yung gawa nyo. Yung tractor. Ito nga pala yung sa Chacha Beats. Oh, no! Gawa na nila yung Chacha Beats. Oh, bilis. Oh, tractor. Saan yung Chacha Beats? Ito, yan. Chacha Beats. Kaling yan dito yung kanina. Nabuo na tractor. Oh, ang ganda. Okay. Yan, sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe dyan, subscribe sa channel ko. And click that notification bell for my future vlogs. Lalo kung gusto nyo ng mga content na ganito. Kasi ang daming nanonood na hindi subscribe, mag-subscribe na lang din kayo. And ito nga pala yung train na. Pakita ko sa inyo yung train nung mabuo. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Putol nga lang siya. Oh no!